We'll guide you through how to use Mailchimp for free. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Mailchimp's website on your desktop and sign up for a free account. Enter your email, username, and password, then follow the instructions to verify your email address. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Here, you can start by creating a new audience, which is where you'll manage your subscribers. Click on Audience in the left-hand menu, then click Manage Audience and select Add a Subscriber. You can manually enter subscriber details or import a list if you have one. Remember, the free plan allows up to 500 contacts, which is great for getting started. Next, you'll want to set up your first campaign. Go to the Campaigns tab on the left and click Create Campaign. Choose Email from the options. Give your campaign a name and select your audience. You can then choose from pre-designed templates or create your own. The drag-and-drop editor makes it easy to customize your email with text, images, and buttons. Once you're happy with your design, click Next to set up your email subject, preview text, and sender details. Before sending, you can preview your email and even send a test email to yourself to ensure everything looks perfect. When you're ready, click Send or schedule it for a later time. Mailchimp's free plan offers basic reports so you can track open rates and click-throughs. This is a great way to understand what your subscribers are interested in. Don't forget to explore Mailchimp's automation options to save time and engage your audience more effectively. There you have it. A quick start on using Mailchimp for free. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.